This is ratings and management. So like we have created this in the previous series. I hope you're following. Okay, this is the rating. This is only for okay, blog can be rated, yes. Pages also can be rated. Okay, both of them can also be rated. Yeah, I told you before it was not only for pages. Yeah, both of them can be rated. Yeah, only blog posts can be rated. Yeah, pages cannot be rated. Alright, just take correction of that. Note of that. So we're gonna look at this. So your blog posts, both of them can have comments and all that. Okay, now let's quickly. This is the admin. Remember. Now in rating, this is dynamic. Is real time. Sorry, 10 stars. It's already rated. So this is what I mean. Now I'm gonna import. Remember the Mary. Yeah, Mary. This is the same post. Now let's see what happens when Mary rates her own. Okay, Mary, what are you gonna give us? I see Mary is not too satisfied with the post. Yeah, he gives 8.5. So this is, you not see it here. Refresh. So you have the users, because this is like mobile version of this. Yeah, you can see the raters. Oh, I have some, yes. Yeah, you can see people that rated it, view who rated what. So it gives you the average rating and all that. So this is all about rating. How do you manage rating? Yeah, rating have its own place where you can manage such. I hope I still remember. Okay, blog, dynamic reviews, newsletter, accounts. Alright, I don't think we have such. Okay, because I don't think I have provision for that. Okay, management, you just need to you can remove rating, you can delete rating and all that. But I think you can. No, there is feedback. Yeah, we have there. I almost forgot. Alright, I think we have that. So you can actually look at the rating, delete. Maybe you don't want that. I don't know why you be deleting rating. Yeah, this is how you manage it, but we place to do the management. Okay, I think that's all. So we'll look at remember that this is also the same. Okay, only post can be rated. Let's look at comments and replies, comment management and all that.